Hello everyone, I'm Tim Fitchen from IndyScale and I'm going to introduce to you the RuQaD Demonstrator. RuQaD is short for Reuse Quality Assured Data for Batteries. The goal of the demonstrator is to connect a research data infrastructure with an industrial data space. The research data infrastructure belongs to the post-lithium storage cluster of excellence, POLIS. POLIS, on the left, provides research data for sodium-ion batteries, among others. These are particularly interesting for the industrial data space of the RuQaD project, on the right. The RuQaD demonstrator extracts data from POLIS and transforms it into a representation suitable for the RuQaD data space. During the process, the fairness of the datasets is being assessed. POLIS uses RuQaD format as a virtual research environment for the research data management. RuQaD provides an API and a Python library for the data export using the ELN file format, which in turn is based on RuQaD. RuQaD is operated by the POLIS cluster, the original data owners. RuQaD, on the other hand, builds on LinkAhead for the data management. The RuQaD demonstrator builds on the LinkAhead crawler. The LinkAhead crawler is a Python-based ETL framework and part of the LinkAhead ecosystem. The RuQaD demonstrator pulls data from RuQaD, checks fairness requirements such as the presence of a suitable license, and pushes the data to LinkAhead. LinkAhead then would offer the imported data for reuse by a consumer in the RuQaD dataspace. The data offering and exchange of data within the dataspace uses the dataspace protocol implemented by the Eclipse Dataspace Components (EDC). This is not directly relevant for the RuQaD demonstrator. However, RuQaD and the target LinkAhead instance must be operated by a member of the dataspace, a curator/broker. Optionally, the RuQaD demonstrator triggers a GitLab pipeline for data quality assurance. This pipeline itself is not part of the RuQaD project, but the result of a sister project, the Demonstrator 4.2. The RuQaD demonstrator is a stateless system. Once configured, it runs as an active background component, without the need for any user interaction. But enough theory now. Instead, let me show you how to set up a testbed on your local machine and get the RuQaD in the air. After downloading the testbed at GitHub, follow the README. Build with Gradle and set up the Kubernetes locally using minikubes. Then we use Terraform to start up the testbed. These are the both most important pods, LinkAhead and RuQaD. Log in with user and create an access token for later use. We need record read and user read. Sample record 12. Remember that. Log in with admin chaosdb. LinkAhead is empty right now. Now download the RuQaD demonstrator and follow the README. We set up a Python virtual environment and install using pip. Now we need to set up the configuration. These values are fine. And now we need to set up the data model at LinkAhead. And now we need to configure the connection to RuQaD and to the quality assurance pipeline. This is the RuQaD access token, and of course you need to put some non-dummy values in here. And now we're good to go. Starting RuQaD. The Demonstrator 4.2 runs at our GitLab instance at indyscale.com, which is not publicly available. Here you can see sample record 12 and the results of the quality check. 20 of 20 checks passing. And that's it. Thank you very much.